Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Electrum wallet. First, navigate to the official Electrum website to download the correct software for your operating system. It's crucial to verify the downloaded file's authenticity using its digital signature to prevent installing malicious software. Once verified, proceed with the installation process, which is straightforward and typically takes only a few moments. This ensures you have a legitimate and secure version of the wallet ready for use. Upon launching Electrum, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet. Select the standard wallet option, which is suitable for most users. The next critical step is generating your unique 12-word seed phrase. This phrase is the master key to your funds, so write it down precisely on paper. Store this physical copy in a secure, private location away from your computer. Never share it with anyone, as it grants full access to your Bitcoin. To further secure your Electrum wallet, immediately set a strong, unique password. This encrypts your wallet file, protecting it from unauthorized access on your device. For an additional layer of security, consider enabling two-factor authentication, which requires a second verification step for transactions. For the highest level of protection, integrate a hardware wallet. This keeps your private keys offline, making them virtually immune to online threats, offering superior peace of mind. Receiving Bitcoin is simple. Navigate to the Receive tab to find your unique receiving address. Share this address with anyone sending you funds. To send Bitcoin, go to the Send tab. Here, you'll input the recipient's address and the amount you wish to send. Always double-check all transaction details, including the address and amount, before clicking Send. Once confirmed, your transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network for processing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.